So I was out here the other day looking at this tree, trying to figure out how I'm going to cut it down because it's completely dead. And remembered there was a big old concrete slab under the dirt back here. It's kind of hidden. Probably can't see it too well. Show you guys over here. It looks like there's a groundhog hole living under there, but it's a pretty big concrete slab. Might even be big enough to put a small building on, like a storage shed or something. But I was just gonna try to clean it off, see what condition it's in underneath all this dirt and stuff. Also was thinking it would be a good spot to turn into a little power wash spot for equipment like dirt bikes, four-wheelers, golf carts, stuff like that. Go ahead and start cleaning this thing up. Looks like the hole under there might actually be a home to bees. So, gonna have to watch that out. I don't know if they sting or not, but don't want to get hit by them. Concrete looks like to be in pretty decent condition. At first I thought this was a crack, but it actually looks like whoever put the concrete in put some slits in it. So that's a good sign that whoever put it in did a decent job and actually took the extra time to put some cuts in it so it wouldn't crack. And it's kind of cool how there's a little slope here. This part sloped down a little bit, and it's kind of cool because maybe you can make that like a little ramp to drive stuff up, or the water might flow down that way or something. But yeah, looks like the slab so far is in decent condition, so I'm gonna keep going at it with the shovel and we'll see what that side looks like. Look at this thing. Pretty much got it all shoveled. A little bit on the edge and stuff. Isn't all the way, but I think I'll be able to get that with the pressure washer. And that centipede down there was pretty sweet. I don't normally see centipedes around here like that, so it's pretty cool to see. And these bees seem to be leaving me alone. I had one come up and check me out a little bit. Looked like he was about to sting me, but he kind of flew away, and I kind of filled up that hole. So hopefully they don't get mad and all come flying out of that hole and attack me. If they do, I got the pressure washer. That might keep them away. Also, the only damage on this thing I found was right here on the corner. It's like the corner might have cracked off, but it's not a big deal. Actually, really surprised with how good of condition this slab of concrete is in, considering it's been abandoned back here for who knows how long. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go get the pressure washer and start pressure washing this thing. Well, guys, I think this is going to work out pretty good. Gravely seems to fit on there. pretty good. Probably could even fit a car or something on this if we wanted to, but yeah, guys, let's clean off this deck. It is pretty dirty. I don't think this thing has ever been power washed, so let's power wash this thing up and see if we can get it looking cleaner. Alrighty guys, well, got it cleaned up. It's looking pretty good. I think this might be the cleanest I've ever seen this thing. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.